Oh! Yay!
Today, ready to hit the road? Let's build it now. Let's build a powerful carrier truck to move heavy items. Place the driver's cabin at the front. Attach the large cargo bed for carrying items. Fix the side mirror and steps for easy access. Attach the lever and other small details. Attach the big wheels for smooth driving. Fenders go on to keep mud away. Attach the big wheels for smooth driving. Place the fuel tank to power up the truck. Finally, put on the fenders. Perfect finish. Before we start, let's fill the tank with fuel. Machines need energy, just like we need food. Glug, glug, and full, ready to roll. Glug, glug. Glug, glug. Awesome! The truck is good to roll. Now lift the item and drop it right at the spot. Perfect! Load the big item onto the truck, nice and steady. The truck got dusty after that job. Time for a wash. Lots of bubbles and a big scrub. Soap, scrub, and rinse until it's shiny again. Splash water, shiny and clean again. Splash water, shiny and clean again. Great work! The carrier truck is ready for more.